Melos granules, high quality for safety surfacing systems. The future belongs to our children. The requirements for child-friendly and safe playing areas are continuously increasing. Our products allow us to provide increased safety and protection, perfect for trouble-free enjoyment. The procedure is as follows. The old safety tiles are removed and disposed of properly. The surface is cleaned thoroughly and treated with a primer to make it the perfect subsurface for the seamless safety surface. First of all, the elastic base layer is prepared. Black recycled granules are used for this purpose. This material is characterized by a high concentration of polymers, which ensures very good elastic properties. The granules are poured into a mixer. They're then evenly mixed with a polyurethane-based binding agent. The ratio of binding agent used in this case is between 8 and 12%. The exact ratio depends on the respective requirements and the quality of the raw materials used. The installation conditions determine the selection of the binding agent. The temperature and humidity level play an important role here. The mixing time should be long enough to ensure a good coating of the granules. All of these factors subsequently influence the important properties of the surface: tensile strength, elasticity, and abrasion resistance. The mixed granules leave the mixer and are transported to the installation location. The surface has already been prepared for installation. The edging is now coated with primer and binding agent to improve the adhesion of the elastic layer around the edges. The granules are poured slowly onto the installation surface and then distributed evenly. The elastic layer has to exhibit a certain thickness depending on the possible fall height. The required depth of the elastic surface is determined according to a strict standard. Therefore, loosely laid surfaces, such as sand or bark mulch, do not always provide optimum conditions, as their thickness can change with every use. When laying the rubber safety flooring at the installation location, it can be applied in different thicknesses at particular areas. The height is adjusted and an even surface guaranteed through the use of rails and gauges. The material is distributed evenly and carefully to ensure a closed surface develops. The area gradually fills with granules and an even covering develops. The applied material is lightly compacted and smoothed out again using a trowel. A V-groove is impressed along the edges with a trowel. This enables the granules on the top layer to subsequently form a better bond with the edge and the elastic layer. A final critical examination of the entire surface is conducted, and any small bumps are eliminated. The elastic layer is finished after this process. It must now be allowed to harden. After a curing time of approximately 12 hours, depending on binder choice, the preparations for applying the top layer can begin. The colored Melos granules are poured into the mixer. Yellow granules are also added to increase the attractiveness of the surface. The coordinated grain size distribution guarantees an optimal compound system with very good physical properties. The mixture becomes homogeneous after some time, and the bonding agent is then added. Melos granules can be processed using a polyurethane-based binding agent. The uniform quality of the granules subsequently ensures an even performance and characteristic profile of the safety flooring system. The mixed granules are discharged and transported to the installation location. Pre-prepared rails and a gauge ensure an even installation height, in the same way as for the elastic layer. The mixed granules are poured slowly and evenly onto the cured elastic layer and manipulated to form an even surface. The surface is subsequently smoothed out and levelled at the exact required height. The flooring is smoothed again and lightly compacted in an additional process. This ensures the granules bind, develop an optimum adhesion to one another, and produce the required rigidity and expansion values. The elastic top layer is gradually applied, and the rubber safety surface starts to take on its final form. Melos granules can be applied to all materials, even in a three-dimensional form if necessary. When moulded into the shape of hills or tunnels, Melos granules harden to form a homogeneous, closed surface, which is colour-fast and able to withstand extreme demands. This means there's nothing to get in the way of rough and tumble games, naturally in any weather conditions. Safety surface systems manufactured from Melos granules are flexible, weather-resistant, versatile, and environmentally friendly. Safety flooring systems with Melos granules offer consistent and uniform safety characteristics in accordance with the standard EN 1177. High slip resistance and water permeability for faster drying. Optimum cost-benefit and cost-effectiveness ratio. Long service life, high durability, and excellent weather resistance properties. Rapid installation, quick removal, and extremely environmentally friendly. Efficient sound absorption, good abrasion resistance, and low impression depth caused by pointed objects. Flame retardant properties are available on request. 24 colours are part of the standard range, which offers attractive design possibilities for the safety flooring and invites children to play in a safe environment. Melos granules, top quality for safety surface systems.